Hi, this is Sunny from BOTA. Here I stand at one of our customer user site, Dalian Heavy Industry wind tower production base. Today, let's have a look how wind towers are produced. Come on, let's go. First, we come to the material preparation workshop. This area is for receiving the raw material. You can see many different sizes of steel plates. The first step, this is the cutting area. After cutting, the steel plates will transfer to this station for beveling and polishing. After beveling and polishing, the steel plates will come to this station for rolling. After baking, the single section tower will come to this workstation for internal and outer longitudinal seam welding. Now you can see this is our 100 turns welding rotators and the cantilever welding platform. This is also our longitudinal welding workstation. After longitudinal welding, the tower will come to this station for return to circle. After return to circle, it will use the traveling trolley to carry the tower to the fit-up growing line area. Now we come to the fit-up growing line area. Here you can see this is our 200 turns motorized traveling hydraulic fit-up welding rotator. The rotator two wheels will moving left and right to lift the tower up and down position. It realizes the alignment. After fitting up growing line, the tower will come to this station for circular seam welding. Now you can see this is our gantry welding machine and the cantilever welding platform. After welding, the traveling rotator will carry the tower outside of the workshop. Then we will use the traveling trolley to lift up the tower to replace to our sandblasting rotator. The sandblasting rotator will carry the tower to the sandblasting workshop for the rust removal work. These are our blasting and painting welding rotators. We supplied 18 sets of 200 turns and 9 sets of 400 welding rotators to this user. This is our 400 blasting and painting welding rotators control box, double doors design, equipped with a wireless control box. And we all use very famous brand Schneider electric components, Schneider inverter, AC contactor, relay. Now I'm in the painting workshop. After blasting work, the tower will transferred to this workshop for painting work. Now you can see this is our 200 blasting and painting welding rotator. After painting, the towers will transfer to this area for internal accessories assembly. After internal accessories assembly, the towers will come to this area for the last step, packing. Thank you for your watching.